Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this glowing 3D cube animation in CapCut PC. So you can just edit it as is. I'm just going to also crop it real quick because the edges are around it and we don't want that. Okay. What I'm going to do is I am going to go to the effects section here and I'm going to type in neon and I'm just going to add that on in the video here. Select the video and go to adjustments and turn down the saturation like so. Adjust the illumination as well. Actually, you don't have to do that. And I'm going to type in edge glow. And I'm going to add that as well. I'm also going to find luminance. And I'm also going to apply that, just the filters and adjust the strength a little bit. Go to media, go to library. And I'm going to go to background and I'm going to select this color because I quite like it. Go to video, go to blend mode and select linear burn. Okay. Once you have that, I don't think you'll need that, but you can create a compound clip here and select linear burn if you don't like the edges there. Okay, we still need this. So select this video first, go to animation, go to combo and select the 3D cube option, which is, where is it? Somewhere in here. Oh, here it is. You can select whichever one you want. I'm going to select Cube 5 and then on the second layer you select the same animation as well so you can see it. And yeah, that is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!